This 2022 Forest River Salem 29 VBUD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 36 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 10, refrigerator, microwave, leveling jacks, air conditioning, LP detector, slide-out, skylight, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunk over cab, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Salem 29 VBUD is 7,728 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.